Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer and I am here with
Matilda.
And she's going to help me show you the singing game Chickens and the Fox. This is a very exciting chase game in the elementary music classroom, but we have an adaptation so it can still be kind of an exciting survival game in a music lesson, a voice lesson with an individual student as well. So there's a story that goes with this song, and there are some chickens and they are out playing in the barnyard, and there's a fox. Fox love to eat chickens. And so the whole idea is that we want the chickens to stay safe and not get eaten by the fox. I will sing the story for you first. You'll see it on the screen, and then we will tell you how to play the game. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, staying by the farmer as they play. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, calling to the farmer, hear them say, "Farmer, farmer, do you see? Two big eyes are looking at me. Farmer, farmer, do you see? What do you think it could be?" And then there is the farmer's questions. Could it be a dog? And the chickens say, "I'm not worried." Could it be a donkey? I'm not worried. Could it be an elephant? I'm not worried. Could it be a fox? Yes. Farmer, run. That's the end part. So all of the responses for Matilda are going to be, "I'm not worried," or "Yes, farmer, run," if it's a fox. So I could do more than just the dog and the donkey and the elephant. I could go on and on and on and pick all sorts of things, and she will never be worried until I say, "Could it be a fox?" And then you say, "Run, farmer, run." All right, so here's the story. We'll do the whole story, and Matilda's going to answer my questions. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, staying by the farmer as they play. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, calling to the farmer, hear them say, "Farmer, farmer, do you see? Two big eyes are looking at me. Farmer, farmer, do you see? What do you think it could be? Could it be a dog?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a donkey?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a motorcycle?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a peanut butter sandwich?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a fox?
Run, farmer, run!
And in the singing game, which the instructions are in the singing game book, you are going to have somebody that chases the chickens. There's a fox and there's chickens, and they're trying to get away and trying to get safe. And there are instructions that tell you how to do this. So I'm not going to read them to you. You can read that in your book. When you are playing this song with only one person, some of the thrill of this game is the chase. And so you're eliminating that with just one person. We're not going to chase each other around the living room. So we are going to see if Matilda can survive by rolling a die. And I want you to pick a number between 1 and 6.
6.
What number would you like?
6.
6. So if Matilda rolls a 6, she is safe.
If I don't roll a 6, then
And if you don't roll a 6, then the fox is one step closer. So you get 3 chances. If she rolls and isn't safe, the fox is closer and closer and closer. But if she gets a 6, she's safe.
Yes.
All right? So we're going to sing it one more time. And then at the end, you're going to hold that. You're going to roll that and see if you're safe or if the fox is close to you. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, staying by the farmer as they play. All the little chickens playing in the barnyard, calling to the farmer, hear them say, "Farmer, farmer, do you see? Two big eyes are looking at me. Farmer, farmer, do you see? What do you think it could be? Could it be a cucumber?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a donkey?
I'm not worried.
Could it be an elephant?
I'm not worried.
Could it be a fox?" Now,
Run, farmer, run!
now that may not make sense when it's only one person. So you can change that to, could it be a fox? Send that fox home, if you want. It doesn't have to make any more sense than that. So you could say, run, farmer, run, or you can say, send that fox home.
Send that fox home.
And you can actually sing that as well. All right. So are you sending the fox home or are you safe? Here you go. She's going to roll and it's going to land on there and we'll see. Whoops. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
My number is 6.
5. Oh, the fox is close.
Oh.
4. The fox is closer.
I'm not good at rolling dice.
6. She's safe. All right. One more. What's your safe number?
Oh. My safe number is going to be 3.
2.
2.
1.
5.
Oh, that time you got eaten. So that is the fun part of the game, is to try to see if you can beat the fox or if you're going to get caught. And just like singing games, the purpose of a singing game is that you want the students to sing it multiple times, give them a reason to want to sing it multiple times, and to have fun doing it. And that internalizes the concepts that you're working on. In this case, it's so and me and individual singing. And so that can help promote your cause if you have a reason for them to want to do it again because they want a chance to roll the die and get away from the fox. So now you have the thrill of the chase, but it's just one student, and that's how you can adapt that. That song is in New Singing Games for Young Singers, Volume 2 for grades 2 and 3, ages 7 to 9. And that is one of a series of 3 singing games. Volume 1 is for kindergarten and grade 1 students, ages 5 to 7. And Volume 3 is for students in grade 4 to 5, ages 9 to 11. And those are available at donnaandandy.com, or you can order print copies from Amazon. Thank you very much for dropping in and spending some time with me and with Matilda. And we hope to see you another day, perhaps here in the living room or in a music classroom somewhere. Until then, have a great day making music, and make music
a
great part of your day.